In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to a Telegram group. We'll walk through this using Telegram Desktop, because the specific invite options we need aren't available in the web version. Go ahead and open the Telegram Desktop app on your computer. If you're prompted to log in, complete that first so you're in your account and can see your chats. Next, find the group you want to invite people to from your list of conversations on the left. If you have a lot of chats, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the group by name. Click the group to open it so you're inside the conversation. At the top of the chat, you'll see the group's name. Click right below the group's name. This is the header area that shows details like the member count. That opens the group info window where all the management options live. In the window that appears, look for the Invite or Add Members option and click it. This brings up your contact list. From here, you have two easy ways to choose people. You can start typing a contact's name into the search field to filter the list, or simply scroll to find who you want. Click on the contact to select them. If you're inviting multiple people, you can select several at once. When you're ready, click Add to confirm. Depending on the group's settings, your contacts may be added right away, or they may receive an invite they need to accept. If you don't see the option to invite, it may be because the group admins have restricted who can add members, so you might need to ask an admin for help. There's also a flexible alternative if you don't want to pick contacts one by one. In the same group info window, choose Invite via link. Telegram will show you the group's invite link. Click to copy it, then share that link through your preferred channel, Messenger, email, or any other platform your invitees use. This is great for inviting people who aren't already in your Telegram contacts. Just keep privacy in mind. Only share the link with people you trust and avoid posting it publicly unless that's your goal. If someone can't join, the link might be disabled or the group may have join restrictions, so check with the group admin if needed. That's it. Open Telegram Desktop, go to your group, use the Invite or Add Members option to pick contacts, or share the invite link for broader access. You're all set to grow your community smoothly.